Workflow at a standstill because of the Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix LG Electronics conflict for good. Before we dive into the Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources manual process, note the maintenance tool linked below for standardized file referencing. This is the Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources, the localized resource library for the Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center. It houses the text strings and icons for monitor resolution, RGB lighting, and fan control. If missing, the control app will display generic error codes or a blank UI, preventing the user from changing monitor settings. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This issue indicates a problem within the LG Electronics installation. Reinstall the latest version of LG Electronics from the official site to restore Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources DLL safely. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. Installing an unverified version of Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Lg-Ultragear-Control-Center Resources from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.